Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK11 or newer and flight recorder enabled on the JVM. Once done, launch Java Mission Control on your machine and connect to the running JVM process. You'll see it listed by process ID and name. You should attach rather than restart the application when live profiling is required. Make sure to permit JMX connections if using remote instruments. This gets you into the tool quickly, so you can begin capturing a useful recording without delay. You now configure a recording. Open the new recording dialog and set duration, ring buffer size, and whether to write to disk. Then pick events to capture, CPU sampling, allocations, garbage collection, locks, keeping overhead in mind. Start the recording and observe live charts to spot immediate hotspots. Once the capture completes, save it. You'll then open the saved JFR file in the Flight Recorder Analyzer within JMC to drill into method-level CPU, allocation stacks. You finish by inspecting flame graphs, hot method lists, and allocation stacks to identify root causes. Complement that with GC and thread contention views to confirm symptoms. Once confident, export a report or CSV for team review and correlate JFR timestamps with application logs for context. If results look noisy or incomplete, increase sampling frequency, enable additional events, or verify agent and JMX permissions. When done, stop the recording cleanly and archive the JFR file for future comparison or regression checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.